I'm going to start the conversation, so please keep your book aside, children. I'll look it afterwards, okay? मैं बाद में देखूंगी आपके homeworks, ठीक है? पहले टीचर के साथ थोड़ा conversation कर ले, okay? Come on, Prahan, start. What are the 3 golden words, dear? Look at teacher and say, don't feel shy.
If you want something,
say 3 golden words.
a little bit louder. And it's very nice. Someone gives you something.
Prahan, I would like you to see to me and tell me. Yes, Prahan, please.
Answer teacher.
Okay, I'll not look at you, but at least tell me. Okay, I'll not look at you.
Very nice. Then welcome Sunday, mother.
Okay, now you have to look at me and tell me what are the 3 golden rules.
Teacher. See, give it.
Say.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Welcome.
Okay, fine. Okay, then.
Sorry.
Very good, and
Please.
Please.
please. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Lovely.
Nice.
Very good. Now Lakshmi. Hi dear. तो बताओ 3 golden words बताओ. कल टीचर ने आपको बताया था, वीडियो भी दिखाया था, याद है? किसी ने गो थ्रू नहीं किया? मतलब किसी ने बोला था ना वीडियो भी देखने के लिए. तो what are the 3 golden words? Very good. Please. Very good, Lakshmi. Very nice. Now Shravan. Hi Shravan. टीचर को बताओ 3 golden words बताओ. Very nice. Okay, very good, very nice. Now Dhriti. Hi Dhriti. Good morning, dear. Dhriti, say the 3 golden words. टीचर को बताओ 3 golden words.
मैंने बहुत की.
टीचर ने बोल 3 golden words.
3 golden words.
बोल sorry પછી
Thank you.
हाँ
Very
પછી
good, and
बोल please.
please. Yes. Are you using these words or no? आपको ये वर्ड्स अपने डेली लाइफ में यूज भी करना है. आपको जब मम्मा से कुछ मांगना है तो बोलना है प्लीज मम्मा गिव दिस टू मी. ठीक है? If you are not listening to mama, you have to say sorry also. And thank you when you will say, when mama will give you all those things. Not only to mama, to everyone. ठीक है? Aradhya, hi dear. Say the 3 golden words. टीचर को बताओ. आराध्या 3 golden words बोलो टीचर को. Thank you. Very good. Very good. 1 2 3 नहीं बेटा. Sorry, thank you and please. Okay. Okay. Very good. Arya, hi dear. You are busy writing. What you are writing? बताओ. आर्या टीचर को बताओ 3 golden words बताओ टीचर को. Very good.
Take over.
आगे क्या है? Sorry, thank you and please. Okay. Start using these words. ठीक है? Don't forget. You all have to use at home also, when you go out, that time when you meet your friends, when you meet your families, you all have to use these words. Parents make them understand in what are these golden words to them. Like even they will not realize because they are too small to realize these words, but it's our duty to make them understand these three golden words. If they are doing any mistake, so tell them to say a sorry. If they want to ask, tell them, "Hey, please say that word, please." And when you offer that thing, tell them to how to say thank you. And when they say thank you, it's our responsibility to give them a reward of saying a word, welcome. Okay, so we'll be doing this every now and then. Okay, so we have to use these words. ठीक है ना, आपको भूलना नहीं है ये words को. Okay, come on Aryaveer. Hi Aryaveer. Hi Aryaveer. आप टीचर को 3 गोल्डन वर्ड्स बता दो जल्दी जल्दी, तो 10 पे टीचर आपका होमवर्क चेक करेगी. Very nice. Very good. So sweet. Very nice, Aryavi. Now, Arav, say to teacher 3 golden words. बोलो टीचर को. आरव 3 golden words बताओ टीचर को.
Sorry.
Okay, very nice. Well done. Hi Latika. Good morning dear. What are you singing? Yes Latika.
Teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning dear. आप क्या गाना गा रहे थे?
Practice कर रही थी teacher.
Okay. Come on Latika. Say the 3 words.
The 3 golden word बोलो.
Good.
Say sorry. बोलो.
Words. Yes. Golden words. क्या है?
Sorry.
हाँ.
Very nice. Very good. Nice using accent, Latika. Very nice. Hi Ashna. Stop. Hi.
Hi बोलो.
Okay, dear. Come on. Start. Hi dear. Come on. Let's start. What are the 3 words?
बोलो.
Hi.
Hi dear.
Thank you. Sorry please.
Sorry. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Good. Shravan, you say dear. अब बताओ टीचर को. थोड़ा जोर से बोलो डियर. श्रवण. सॉरी.
बोल दे बेटा.
थैंक यू.
बोल दिस साइड टीचर बोल.
एंड
थोड़ा बोल.
प्लीज.
प्लीज.
Yes, parents, one more thing I would like to say, like when we use these words, even you try to say please to them, even you try to say sorry to them, because not the children only do mistakes, but even we elders do mistakes. So when you will repeat this word in front of them, they will come to know. They will come to know how to respect others also, how to respect elders, how to respect youngers. So we will also try to use these words in front of them. Even we sometimes shout at them. So what we will not wait for them to come and say sorry. No, we will only say in front of sorry, so that they need to it, because they don't know the power of bad things and the good things. They don't know. Until and unless we will not teach them. वो लोग को क्या बुरी चीज है क्या अच्छी चीज, until and unless हम उनको ना समझाएं. So we will also use the word sorry, please and thank you, so that they will see to us, they will hear to us how we are doing. तो वो चीज वो लोग obviously copy. ठीक है. So these words when we use sorry, thank you, please, even we should understand that even we use in front of them. ठीक है. As an elder we know, we think they do mistakes and all. No, but sometimes even we do mistakes. So we will also use these words in front of them, so that they will come to know how to respect even elders also, even youngers also. Okay, so from now onwards we also will use these words. Okay, not for you all, we will also be using. Okay, everyone. Okay, done. Yes. Priyal. Now Priyal's turn. Now Priyal's. बोलो. Real. Say the three golden words, dear.
जोर से बोलो. Sorry. Thank you.
Very good. Very nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, तो चलो आज हम लिखेंगे नंबर 6. फाइन. उससे पहले नहीं, नंबर 6 लिखने से पहले टीचर आपको दिखाएगी एक वीडियो. ठीक है, लेट्स सी द वीडियो. ठीक है, देन विल गो.
मैम देखिए आराध्या लिखी है ABCD A से Z तक.
ओहो, नाइस आराध्या, you have already written A to Z. Very nice, very good.
A to Z, but good boy.
Good girl, good girl. Very nice. Keep on practicing, okay? Keep on practicing. अगर आपको आता भी है तो don't stop it, okay? If you all know also, don't stop. Keep on practicing. Okay? Come on, now teacher will share you something. Okay?
Practical videos, practical की करती
Before writing, we will see this video. Okay?
Yeah.
What is this?
Orange car.
Orange, red, yellow card.
Six apples, 6 trees, 6 tiny little buzzing bees, 6 tables, 6 chairs, 6 monkeys jumping over there, 6 candles, 6 flames, 6 smiley happy dancing dames, 6 farmers, 6 books, 6 very hungry sitting ducks, 6 chickens, 6 sheep, 6 frogs getting ready to leap. Look at all these numbers falling from the sky. Let's find them together, looking low and high. 6 apples, 6 trees, 6 tiny little buzzing bees, 6 tables, 6 chairs, 6 monkeys jumping over there, 6 candles, 6 flames, 6 smiley happy dancing dames, 6 farmers, 6 books, 6 very hungry sitting ducks, 6 chickens, 6 sheep, 6 frogs getting ready to leap. The number 6 is special, we can use it every day. So come back soon and sing with us, we're always here to play.
Yes.
Direction of the video.
So number 6, yes, you know, when we get something from market, mama brings bananas. So half dozen bananas, kitna aata hai half dozen bananas, right? 6 eggs, 6 bananas, and what else? Half dozen is what? Number 6, right? है ना? 6 भी हम लोग कैसे देखेंगे 6 को as a half dozen? When we get what? When we get banana, when we get eggs. So कितने आते हैं वो? 6. ठीक है? So now before starting it, number 6, how to write?
कौन बोले तो मेरा that is for
Parents, I would like to show children one more thing. If they have a heart, thing to write
टीचर चलो लिसन
a curve
क्या बोले
of number 6. The thing is, how can we make them write as it?
कैसे लिखें?
This is number 6, right? This is number 6. So what are we going to do is, parents, if they are having a hard time to write, like move a curve, if they cannot be able to move a curve, what are we going to do is,
कैसे लिखें? कैसे देखो मामा देखो देखो
we make a dot, one dot over here, one dot in between. See, one dot in between and one dot over here. So what are we going to do? A stepwise. Those even those who can write it also, and those who can't make a curve for those also. Okay. So how we'll do? First, we'll tell them, join this dot with this dot first. First, they will attempt this. Okay. First, they will attempt this. Then tell them, instruct them. Then we have to join this dot to this dot. Okay. When they will finish doing this, then let them tell that this dot to join again number 6. Fine. So how you all write? First we'll make a dot. Yes. We'll make a this curve, then this dot to this dot, then this dot will come again to this middle dot. 6. Which number it is? 6. Which number it is? 6. 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many balls? 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls. Yes. Who is not listening to mama? कौन नहीं सुन रहा है मम्मा की बातें? Again, what are we going to do is, we are going to make 6. Come on, everyone. Those who don't know how to turn a curve, let's make a 3 dots for them, parents. Okay? So what we'll do, first dot. Okay? Then this second dot will come to this third dot, and this third dot again in the middle dot. 6. Come on, write everyone. 6.
Come here.
6 balls. 6 kites.
6 kites.
6 bananas. Number 6. Okay? First, how you will make? You'll make a C. Then take the curve. Then take the round. Come inside. Number 6. This is number 6. 6 fingers. Okay. 6 kites. Again. Right. Who is not listening?
Tisha is not listening.
Tisha, why? Why, Tisha, you're not listening, dear? क्या हो गया तिशा को आज? तिशा स्टार दूंगी, ठीक है? मम्मा को बोल के आपको स्टार देती हूँ, ठीक है? जल्दी जल्दी कंप्लीट करो. गुड गर्ल हो ना तिशा? फास्ट. गुड गर्ल है ना तिशा? कम ऑन. गुड गर्ल. यस.
Yes. हाँ, चलिए.
Very nice. See, Tisha is wearing such a nice, beautiful dress, है ना Tisha? आपने इतना beautiful dress पहना है, तो फिर जल्दी जल्दी अच्छे से लिखो, है ना? Yes, very nice.
Thank you.
Welcome. Come
Tisha,
on,
thank you.
again.
Welcome बोलती है, sorry नहीं बोलती है सिर्फ.
No, we'll make a habit to tell them these 3 words. Even we will use, okay? ठीक है Tisha?
Thank you.
चलो, let's
Please.
start. We'll make a curve. See, right curve, then right curve go up, then come in between. 6. Again. 6 apples. Okay? 6 apples. 6 bananas.
हो गया
क्या खराब हो गया?
6 mangoes. 6.
पकड़ो, अच्छे से बैठो, मुंह पकड़ो।
टीचर मैं टेस्ट करूंगी।
बड़ी तो हो बेटा, पर इतना दिखाओ ना।
Yes, very nice, Dhriti. Very nice.
ऐसे कैसे मामा बोल, मैंने कैसे लिखा?
Parents, I would like to hear it from you. Do they have a problem to make a curve? Just let me know.
बबू आसन।
Does anyone has a problem to make a curve or they can make it? Very nice, Anaya. Very nice. Very good. Very good, Aradhya. Very nice. Well done. Yes, Latika. Are you writing or no?
ये था लीचर पर्पल कलर नहीं।
Ashta, show yours, dear. Ashta. Ashta, आपको दिखाओ Anaya. Even you, show yours to teacher. Nice. Very nice. Nice. Which number is this, Ashta?
गोल राउंड।
Ashta, which number?
What the line? ये very good
Yes. Where is Anaya? Oh, Anaya, you are in a playing mood today. No studying.
हाँ।
आज खेलना नहीं है.
दंडी तसं नाही ना बेटा त्यांचं बघ ही कशी मस्त लिहिली
Come here, little Anaya. Come here.
गोल राउंड हाँ
Very good, Aryavin.
And?
Very nice. Very neatly you wrote. Very nice. Good. Mama just give star to Aryavin. Okay. Very nice. Very good.
बेटा
Yes, Prahan. Show to teacher. Prahan.
हाँ तुझ्या हातात इथं लिह.
Yes.
गोल राउंड व्यवस्थित
Very
दिशा
nice. Yes. Take a name. Take a name. Who is calling teacher? Just take a name. Okay, so that I can see to you all also. Because teacher get confused ना किसने बुलाया? इसलिए take a name. Aradhya. Okay, Aradhya. Okay, you all have to say your name. Fine. Yes. Yes, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya's mama. Just give Aradhya a star. She wrote very nicely. Very good. Nice. Yes, Prahan. Show.
This is Prahan.
गोल
Oh, very nice, Prahan.
Good.
Very
Amazing.
nice. Very good. Give star to Prahan also. Okay, mama?
Okay.
राउंड
Very good, Lakshmi. Very nice. Which number? You all have to say to teacher also while holding your book. You should say, teacher, this is number 6. ठीक है? आपको teacher को बोलना भी है. Teacher, this is number 6. Fine.
करायचं असं कव करायचं हा चल जाऊ दे ते
Yes.
गोल
Anaya, you're not listening to mama, Anaya.
हा ही लाईन ना अशी गोल करायची थोडीशी वरती जाऊ दे चल ते कर
Very good, Arav. Very good. Very nice. Well done. Well done. Is Tisha writing? Tisha
Yes.
लिख रही है? Very good. Lovely.
पेड़ा
Very good. Very nice. Give Tisha star, okay? Okay, Tisha.
तिशाला स्टार हा
Oh,
वाव
very nice.
इथे लिहू चल वापस गोल
Yes,
राउंड
Shravan. Show yours, Shravan, Arya. आप लोग का दिखाओ. Which number we are writing? Okay, which number we are writing? We are just writing only. No one is saying me which number we are writing. Come on. Say loud and clearly. Which number it is? Which number, Shravan?
इथे स्केच वर इथे मम्मा
Which
पकडून
number it
लिहू
is?
हाताने पकडून
Number 6.
गोल
Yes,
Shabana.
this is number 6. Okay, come on again. Last line. We will complete the last line. Curve, make a curve. Come inside. 6. 6 apples. 6 bananas. And 6 fingers. Okay, now we are done.
बी बन
Fine.
Six.
हमने 6 कर लिया है.
शो शो
ठीक है, everyone. Now what are we going to do is parents, again I'm going to remind you what we are doing in the class. Just go through the books which school has provided you. So what are we going to do over here is practice. What practice we are going to do over here is, here we are going to make any 6 objects and here we are going to write number 6. Fine. यहाँ हम 6 objects बनाएंगे, any related 6 objects, and here they will practice number 6. Fine. Tomorrow's homework. ठीक है everyone?
ये तो तुमने कर लिया तीशा ने किया ना दिखाओ
किया उसने
teacher को
दिशा ने?
दिखाओ।
Very good.
Yes, 6 objects. शो क्या बनाया? 6 butterflies.
Wow, very
Sure.
nice.
है ना?
Very good.
टीचर ने
Lovely.
काउंट किया ना?
Come on, everyone, keep everything aside. We'll count number 6. Fine.
Okay.
Very good, Arav. Very nice. Lovely.
Okay now.
Very good, Latika. Very nice. कल आपको practice करना है and you all have to make pictures related with number 6. Okay. ठीक है, and again teacher is going to ask you tomorrow 3 golden words. So you all have to say it very nicely. Everyone, ठीक है? चलो everyone.
टीचर ने क्रेयॉन
Now
से
count.
6 बनाया. दिखा.
Okay, crayon से 6 किया है. Okay, very nice. Tomorrow you all have to keep objects also, 6 objects, and you all have to count in front of teachers. Like 6 bananas you can keep, 6 apples you can keep, 6 crayons you can keep. ठीक है?
Yes.
Fine.
काउंट करेंगे.
Tomorrow show to teacher. Okay, you all will count in front of teacher and you will say this is number 6. You don't just have to write. We have to learn also.
काउंट कर.
Okay. So which
Yeah.
number we had done today? Number 6. Come on, again, everyone count. 1,
कितनी
2, 3, 4, 5, and one more add. So कितने हो गए? 6. पहले 5 थे fingers. अभी कितने fingers हो गए total? 6 fingers. Come on, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. है ना? How many fingers were there first? 5. But we add one more finger. तो कितने हो गए total? 6 fingers. Now how many fingers? 6 fingers. 1,
1
2,
2
3, 4, 5, 6. And you all should know the counting from 1 to 20. Don't forget that, okay? We all have to do. Come on, let's do. 1 to 20 counting. Come on. Start making a building. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yay! 1 to 20, you all have to recognize number, and 1 to 10, you all should know how to write. But we are doing what? 1 to 20 counting. Okay, 1 to 10 we'll write. Okay, अभी के लिए. So which number we have done today? Number 6. आज हमने कौन सा number किया था? Number 6. So don't forget the numbers. Fine, everyone, and start counting from 1 to 20 daily. You all have to say it. Okay, early in the morning after the prayer, teacher is going to ask. Okay, from now onwards, I'm going to ask each and everyone to count from 1 to 20. You all should memorize. ठीक है? सबको याद करना है वो. ठीक है, everyone? So keep your everything aside. सब कुछ aside करो.
सब साइड में रखो.
Come on. Join your hands.
Open your hands.
Close your eyes. Everyone, join your hands. Close your eyes. Start. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. God bless mommy. God bless daddy. God bless teacher. Help me always to keep them happy. Okay? Now come on, what time it is? National anthem time. You all should know national anthem what it is. Okay? Okay, so everyone stand up. No one will talk. No one will look here and there. Okay? Come on, stand up. Stand straight. Hands aside. Take your right hand on your forehead. Start. Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उच्चल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद. Come on, have a seat. So children, don't forget to look in the long book also. ठीक है, वो long book को भी देखना एक बार. Do practice in that also. ठीक है, previously जो भी आपका रह गया है, please make sure to complete that book also. What you all have left it earlier, what we have done in the class, you all have to complete it in that big book. ठीक है, parents. And today which number we had done? We had done number 6. ठीक है, everyone. So tomorrow teacher is going to ask 6 objects. ठीक है. So everyone, teacher is taking a leave. Please do take care of yourself. Okay, everyone. Come on. Bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. Okay. Bye, everyone. Bye.